Hi, this is Yolanda Van Veen, and in this segment we're going to talk about how to grow carnations from seeds. Now there's so many different types of plants that are related to carnations. There's sweet williams and dianthus and pinks, and then the traditional mini carns and carnations, but they all have the same conditions and they all grow from seeds that are very similar. So the best thing that you can do is when they're done blooming, save the seeds and start them again next spring. I'll show you. So these little carnations are blooming, and then they're sending out seed pods when they're finished blooming. So you can actually save these seeds and then turn around and dry them and plant them the next spring, or you can just put them in the same area, and that's how they multiply from the plant as well as the seeds. So now the seeds are just little slivers, and so you can save those and start them in the spring, and the easiest thing to do is use a seed tray, or you can put them right in the soil. So you just cover them up about a ½ inch, and you can just put a little bit in each one. They're just little slivers. And then you just make sure and cover them up about a ½ inch or even a1/4 inch, and then water them well and mist them, and make sure it's not too strong of a flow of water, because the seeds will just come up. Now you can buy them in packages of seeds, or you can collect and save your own seeds. But it's an easy way to grow them. And then they'll start growing, and you can transplant them in the ground. Or you can also just take a shoot off of an existing plant and turn around and plant that under the soil, and it'll continue to grow. They're very easy to take from starts. So by starting them from seed, you can save money than buying them in a plant already growing, and you can enjoy them that whole summer. But because they are an annual, you want to save the seeds and start them again the next spring, and you can enjoy them every summer that way.